Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on because I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, and sometimes there is a little bonus video in between. There's going to be a bonus video tomorrow, but today's video we're going to be doing a full reveal of the full Revolution and Love Island collection. I'm so excited for this video. I have so much to get through. There's literally, we have nails, we have tan, we have accessories, we have perfumes, we have makeup, we have it all. And I'm going to be showing you the full collection and going through prices. And then tomorrow I'm going to be doing a full review on the makeup of the collection. But this is what I've created for tomorrow's video of me reviewing the collection. I'll give you some little sneaky reviews along this video, but let's just get straight into it because I literally have so many products to get through. So I'm just going to start from my left and just work my way across my desk because it's literally took up my full desk. If you don't know, by the way, I do have a discount code for Revolution. If you use the code LUCE2020, it's always mentioned down below. You can save yourself 20% off Revolution's UK and US website. If you have any problems with the code, please let me know in the comments down below so that I can discuss it with the Revolution team and get it sorted. So to begin with, we have the false nails. I'm just looking to see how much these are. So these are £6. So we have 3 different colours of the false nails. We have these little ones that are kind of like nude with a little purple love heart on them. My nails match this collection so well, not gonna lie. And then we also have ones that have like little multicoloured tips on the ends. We have purple, orange, green, pink and yellow. Do not know my colours clearly. And the last one, which is very loosey, apart from I normally just get like my full nails, this, as you can tell, but this is like a purple and orangey themed. So yeah, I don't think £6.99 is too bad of a price for false nails, especially for like a licensed one as well. But that is what they look like. The next one, which I'm so excited about, it's probably like the I'd say second most exciting accessory for me, but this is the little Love Island and Revolution hair clips. If you watch my reviews, normally I'm either wearing a hairband or I'm wearing little hair clips, and they're normally my little Revolution ones. So these are £6, which I think, to be fair, hair clips are really expensive. I really wanted the Vive ones, and you got, I think it was a 4-pack of like gold hair clips like this, and they were £10. So you know what I mean? So yeah, little hair clips. I will definitely be using these in the future. They'll be going in my little hair clip drawer. But I think the accessory that I was most excited about was the bag. So this is just what it looks like. This retails for £10. If you remember Revolution Pro, was it Pro? I think it was, I'm sure it was Pro. They brought out like a Goddess Glow collection and they had a bag and I had to buy it. This was like over a year ago. I had to buy it, and it's literally the same bag as this, but this is obviously Love Island. I'm going to Leeds tomorrow with my Patreons. I'll definitely be using this bag. I'm not gonna lie, I just love bags like this. I don't know why. I'm a bag hoarder. I can't help it. The next one, does this look a little bit familiar to use? Just a little bit familiar. So this retails for £6, which I think is an unbelievable price. So this is the Revolution Beach Bum Body Butter, and this is tropical scented and it smells unbelievable. Why can't I open it? I'm like a child. I actually can't open it. There we go. that was quite embarrassing, not gonna lie. And it's like a thick, oh, I can smell it already. I've not even opened it. It's like a thick kind of like body butter. It smells like holiday in a tub, and it looks very familiar to the Sol de Janeiro, what's it called? Janeiro. You know, the Bum Bum cream that's ridiculously expensive and everyone raves about. I have like the tiniest little sample in my drawers that I got for free when I did an order on Space and Cave. But yeah, £6. £6, absolute bargain and a half. Next up we have, for the collection, we have this liquid lava, which obviously you can put on your body as like a highlighter. This is just what it looks like. It just comes in the one shade. This is actually quite spenny. This is £15. Let's see what she's like, because I won't be featuring this in my reviews. So this is just what it looks like, just with it being obviously, oh, my body. Oh my god, it's a sweet coconut scent. Ooh. Okay, I understand now why Carly was like, you need to smell it. But this is what, oh my god, that is stunning. Oh, right, let me rub it in because you're not going to leave it on your hand like that. Do you know what I mean? Oh my god, you can actually see where I've rubbed it in so far. That is beautiful. Oh my god. I'm going to take that with me to Leeds tomorrow. I'm going out tomorrow in Leeds. I literally have like the tiniest sliver of my body that'll be showing. That's going on it. That is going on it. That is. Oh, that is beautiful. Wow. Imagine that on holiday as well. It's like full on shimmer. Not gonna lie. So the next three are kind of like fake tan ones. So we have the tan and mitt, which is £8, Love Island tan and mitt. I don't know, tan and mitt's that kind of price. I normally think like £5-ish for tan and mitts, but I feel like you can never have enough of them, to be honest with you. And then they also brought out the Love Island in Revolution whipped tan and mousse. I'm not too sure what shade this is in, but that is just what it looks like. Smell it and see if this smells fruity as well. Yeah, it does. It smells tropical. It smells really nice. Oh yeah, it says tropical scent on the lid. Silly me. And then that's £9.99, and then they've also brought out this, which I believe is £10. So this is the Love Island and Revolution Face and Body Blender, which is one of them big brushes you always see. Is it Amelia, that Amelia girl on TikTok? She always uses like a cool little brush. I'm sure it's her to blend. Oh my god, that's fat. It's a fat brush. So you can literally put your tan on with this and blend it onto your face. The next category within the collection is fragrances. So we actually have two eau de parfums, which is like the more concentrated perfumes. So we have Going on a Date and we have Hide, which I'll show you in a second. So they retail for £15, and then they've also brought out the 10ml like travel size versions of it, which I think are really good if you wanted to see whether you like the scent before buying the bigger version. So these retail for £6, and they've also brought out, which is really interesting, they've brought out body mist, which again are £6 for 100ml. So obviously these are less concentrated with perfume than these ones, because these mini ones are again eau de parfum, whereas these are just body mist. So it'll give you a little bit of a spritz, but won't last as long as this. So I can understand why they're kind of the same price. So the gold one just looks like this. I'm so bad at explaining fragrances, so let me see if I can get this up. So this Going on a Date is meant to be a floral woody scent. It's meant to be super seductive and will get you ready for those long summer nights. So it says the top note to jasmine and sambac, and the heart notes are cashmere wood, and then the base is white amber. That means absolutely nothing to me. That means jack shit. Ooh, okay, yeah, so that one is more, I'd wear this like on I would wear this like on a hot summer night. That's the kind of vibe that it gives me, like definitely like warm nights, but like more like nightclubby, like going out kind of vibes. And let's see what this one smells like. So this one is Hideaway, which is the pink one. I'm sure this is the one that smells like a perfume that I have, or that I've smelt before. So this one says bursting with fruity floral and oriental scent, which makes sense because I'm more of like a fruity kind of fragrance gal. And this one has a lot of notes in it. I'm not reading through all of them, that's loads. Yeah, this is the one that this smells like something that I have or that I've sprayed before. I don't know if that smells like a Victor and Rolf perfume. I don't know if it's Flower Bomb or if it's the Bow one. Oh, it's really annoying me because it's a perfume that I have or that I've bought before. I don't know what it is, but it smells like a really, really popular fragrance. I really need somebody else to smell it and tell me what it is, because that's going to really frustrate me. And obviously the body mist and the little perfume are all in the same scent. So £15 for the big ones, 100ml, £6 for the 10ml travel size, and £6 for the body mist as well. Another thing that is also £6 is these little scrunchies. So these come in a 3-pack where you get a pink one, you get the little Love Island theme, and then you get a blue one, which I will definitely, again, get my use out of. So next up we have the makeup, which, let's be serious, this is probably the side of it that like we were all waiting for. So the first thing that we have is 3 eyelashes. So the eyelashes retail for £6.99. So again, comes in like the little 3 different colours and different designs. The first one is the style Buzzin', which just looks like this. And then the second pair is called Chemistry, and it's actually what I've got on my eyes right now. So these are actually half lashes and they're really, really pretty. You'll see them in tomorrow's video before I put them on. I actually hold them up to the camera in tomorrow's video when I do all this look. And then the last one is exclusive, which is little individual lashes, which just look like this. That is the lashes that are in the collection. We also have 2 bronzers in the collection. I did say this in tomorrow's video, but I wish that there was a third because this is just a little bit, this is okay for like tanned, darker foundation Lucy, but normal shade Lucy, when she isn't going to be putting fake tan on, it's going to be way too dark for me. And then obviously this one is more for deeper skin tones. I feel like we should have like a deeper, a middle, and then a lighter one, like a fair one. I feel like it would have just kind of completed the full thing. Obviously we could do with more than 3, but you know what I mean, just to have it a bit more even. So yeah, they're £5 each though. That is an absolute bargain. And then we also have 2 mega highlighters, which again are £5 each. So we have Stun Hun and we have So Lit. I've actually got So Lit on today, and I thought it left me with like a little cast, but the more that I'm wearing it, I don't think it does. I think it might just be my lighting, but beautiful. Beautiful. Wait until you see tomorrow's video. Wow. The next thing that we have is like an accessory makeup side of it. So this is a kabuki brush. A kabuki brush. A kabuki brush. So this retails for £10, which I think is quite a lot, if I'm honest with you, for like a travel sized kind of like kabuki foldable brush. I know people love these. I always forget to put them in my handbag, so that I never really get my use out of them. But yeah, that's obviously what it looks like close, and then it's a bit tight. And then that is what it looks like. Really good for nights out, really good for popping in your bag and stuff like that without your brushes ruining the inside of your bag. But I just feel like £10 does quite a lot for that. Is that just me being tight? I don't know, it's not really a brush that I would personally benefit from for me to appreciate its use to then pay £10 for it. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, £10 for a kabuki brush. Next up we have the eyeshadow palettes. So there's 3 different eyeshadow palettes. We have the first one, which is a Forever Flawless one, which is what I've got on my eyeballs today. So this is the I've Got a Text palette. I can still smell that perfume and it's really driving me insane, wondering what it is. But this is what the palette looks like. So this is just what it looks like. Yeah, I just feel like this is just, yeah, perfect, because a lot of people on Love Island are more like the bronzy kind of eyeshadow kind of gal, but I like that they have incorporated like the pops of colour to match the packaging and to match Love Island, but also just to give us a little pop of something for summer. So yeah, I'm going to actually take this with me to Leeds tomorrow because I definitely need this pink for my makeup look that I'm doing, because I'm doing like a full like Barbie vibe look tomorrow. So I'm going to be taking this with me. That retails for £12, the same price as the normal Forever Flawless palettes, nothing extra on it with it being a licence. So yeah, very happy with that. Got it for the same price. They always are, to be fair. And the same for the next 2. So these are kind of like mini, basically mini Forever Flawless palettes. So these are the Forever Dynamic palettes. We have 2 different ones. We have My Type on Paper and we have Go for a Chat. So My Type on Paper is more of that kind of bright, vibrant eyeshadow palette. And that is just what it looks like. I love, absolutely love and adore the matte to shimmer ratio in this. We literally have a full row of matte and another pop of matte there. So yeah, I love the matte to shimmer ratio. It's all I've ever wanted. All these years I've been testing Revolution is more mattes. All I've ever asked for. It's all I've ever asked for. And then the other one is Go for a Chat, which I think is perfect for somebody who is into more neutral, sexy kind of glam. So this is just what it looks like. So again, I love the matte to shimmer ratio because we have half and half, but I love the fact that they are on like their own rows. It's like a row of matte, a row of shimmers. It makes me feel a type of way. That's all I'm going to say. But yeah, £6.99 for them, which is the same price as what they normally are. So again, not paying any extra for it to be a license. The next 2 products are lip products. So these are the lip oil and the lip gloss. So there's one lip oil which honestly, my review tomorrow, such a good review. This, £6, worth every penny, worth every penny. Wait till you see tomorrow's video, it's going to blow you away. And then again for the lip gloss, this is the same as like the Pout Bomb kind of packaging. So this is the lip gloss in the shade Water Bottle, which obviously makes sense. It's a clear lip gloss. I've got it on today. Yeah, £6. And then this is very bizarre what I've got on my brow. So this is the Revolution and Love Island Fix and Style Gel. So it's basically, let me see if I can get it out of the packaging. It's basically like a brow and like baby hair styler, so you can slick it back or you can style your baby hair. Oh my god, this is £5. I'm gonna have to get my mum one of them. I'm getting my mum one of them. Like, that is wow. And then the last thing, which actually really wowed me in my review, I feel like I'm spilling all of my review secrets, but these are lip kits that Love Island brought out with Revolution, and there's 3 of them, and these retail for £6, which I think is really good because you get a liquid lipstick and a lip liner. I've just took the packaging out of this one, so it's like literally rattling all over. So I've got the Vibin one on today. So it comes with a lip liner and then a matching liquid lipstick. So this is just what it looks like. And then this is what I've got on today with obviously the water bottle lip gloss over the top. And then we have the shades Eyeliner, I did not say that right. And then we have the shade Bombshell. So I'll try another one of these. Excuse me, focus, thank you. I'll try another one of these in my video on Sunday. So like I said, tomorrow I'm going to be doing a review with majority of these products, and then on Sunday, the day after, I'll do a review using the 2 dynamic palettes, another one of the lip kits as well, and the other highlighter too. So yeah, that is literally everything in the collection. Like I said, it absolutely huge collection. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what you think. Have you bought anything yet? If you have, let me know what you bought, what you're excited for. After watching this video, what do you now want to pick up? Because I know I do that all the time when I watch videos. I'm like, okay, now I need it. Now that somebody else has shown me, no, I need it. Please use my discount code. Like I said, I don't make any money off it. It's not affiliate, anything like that. My links are affiliate in my description, but if you use my code, I don't make any money off it. It just saves you some money, and the more that we use it, the more they keep renewing it for us. So yeah, thank you so much. I love you so much, and I'll hopefully see you in another video very, very soon. Love you so much. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow for this review. Bye.